have got to be kidding me.
Northeastern Harford County in northern Maryland, northwestern Cecil County in northeastern Maryland until 1 p.m.
Fail.
At 12:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Aberdeen, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Havre de Grace, Woodlawn, Perryville, Port Deposit, and Churchville. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a